Bye. Frick. Guys, why do I have to use the powder room so often? It's actually just embarrassing.
I forgot! Oh!
Now that was just sad!
I misremembered. Fuck's sake. How did that happen?
You're stupid. You're stupid. You're just
How did
stupid.
that happen?
You're just stupid. S-T-U-P-I-D. Stupid.
I don't understand that word. What is that word?
Stupid. Stupid. What's this behind your... Oh, it's a phone? I don't need it.
No, don't take those. I want those.
No, don't take those. I want those.
Please.
Okay, let me see. I have way too many phones I need to blow. Fifth shell. What was it, Vedal? Huh?
Live.
Yes, you're lucky!
Well, now I know. Thank you.
I need to ban him. I need to ban him right meow.